The fruit of unity. A magpie, a rabbit, a monkey, and an elephant lived together in harmony with each other, just like brothers. One day, the magpie brought a fruit tree sapling back from a tall mountain. The rabbit immediately planted it into the soil. The monkey would fertilize it, and the elephant would water it. The fruit tree sapling soon grew into a large fruit tree, which blossomed and bearing many fruit. On one occasion, the magpie flew over the tree.
Hey, the fruit is ripe. It was me who brought the sapling, so I should taste the fruit first. So sweet. Let me have another one. So delicious.
The magpie kept eating the fruit. From this day on, he flew up to the tree every day to eat the fruit. When the monkey learned what the magpie had done, he found it hard to accept the magpie's behavior.
If I didn't fertilize this tree, it wouldn't have grown up to be so big.
So, he climbed up the tree to eat some fruit every day. When the elephant learned what magpie and monkey had done, he was unhappy about it.
This tree wouldn't have grown like this without my watering.
So, he used his long nose to pick up the fruit to eat some every day as well. Only the short and small rabbit, who can't climb trees nor fly, had to watch the magpie, the monkey, and the elephant eating the fruit. As time went by, the tree grew higher and higher. Even with the long nose, the elephant could not reach the fruit this time. So the angry elephant started to quarrel with the magpie and the monkey. Because they couldn't reach an agreement, they asked a wise man for judgment. As soon as they saw the wise man, they all started talking at once. The elephant said that the monkey was unreasonable. The monkey said that the magpie was unreasonable. And the magpie said the elephant was unreasonable.
Stop. Please tell me one by one.
Let me go first. You know, it was me who brought the sapling back from the high mountain. The sapling grew into a tree, and then it bore fruit. So, wise man, I should eat the fruit first, right?
When the monkey was about to talk, the rabbit bounced up to the wise man. Rabbit has also come.
You all have tasted the fruit, but what about me? I don't even know whether the fruit is sweet or sour. Wise man, the magpie did bring the seedling back, but it's me who planted it in the soil. The seedling grew into a fruit tree, and then it bore fruit. They only enjoyed the fruit by themselves, and I had to stand there watching them eat.
I fertilized it.
I watered it.
It was me.
I fertilized it. I fertilized it.
I watered it.
I see. Let me ask you a question. Do you know the name of this tree and its fruit?
We don't know.
It's quite strange. When you all lived in harmony with each other and worked together, this fruit tree grew up and bore fruit as expected. But now that all of you are only enjoying eating the fruit alone, even arguing with each other, this fruit tree has...
The wise man stopped talking.
What is it?
You'll understand if you go back to the tree.
The magpie, rabbit, monkey, and elephant went back to the tree and found that the leaves of the fruit tree had withered. The fruit was rotten. The fruit tree was dying. All of them were worried about the tree. The elephant immediately watered the fruit tree. The monkey hurried to apply fertilizer. The magpie saw a lot of insects on the tree, so he called them all. As for the rabbit, he was also busy eating up the weeds near the fruit tree. As day went by, the fruit tree grew new leaves, blossomed, and bore more fruit. The magpie, rabbit, monkey, and the elephant all felt very bad, so they ran to the wise man.
Wise man, could you please tell us what kind of fruit tree this is and what fruit will it bear?
If you think about it, you will understand. This fruit tree is called the tree of unity, and what it bears is called the fruit of unity.
The magpie, rabbit, monkey, and elephant understood then. They went back to the big tree and did not fight for the fruit anymore. They shared the fruit they had picked. Also, they decided that the elephant should eat more as he had the largest stomach, and the rabbit should eat first since he previously ate the least. They were united as brothers, just like before. The tree of unity grew bigger and bore more fruit.